When talking about gimbals, especially phone gimbals, my biggest concern is the size of it. For me, I would definitely sacrifice some functions to make sure that when I'm in need of a gimbal, I can get access to it and actually start using it within 1 minute. Luckily, I found this little guy, the Feiyu Vlog Pocket. From beginners to pros, this gimbal deserves a seat on your baggage list. Start from the design, which is the biggest selling point of it. This is the smallest gimbal I've ever used. It is as tall as your phone and only weighs 272 grams, which is not much heavier than your cell phone. So it's super portable and can easily fit into your pocket. Apparently Feiyu is not joking or exaggerating about naming the device. It can be perfectly fit in the side pocket of your backpack or most of the big pockets on your shorts or even jeans. And I really like the notch design of the phone clip. It will prevent pressing the lock or volume buttons. The shell of the gimbal is made of plastic but covered by a layer of skin-like coating, so the touch of the handle is great and a little bit small. When operating the device, it is slightly tricky, especially for those who have a big hand. Sometimes you will mistap the buttons, so you may need some time to get used to it. We have two color editions, black and pink. I have to say the pink version is a really clever move because at least in China, more and more girls start their business with a gimbal no matter doing a live show or making a vlog. The current price of the Vlog Pocket is about 450 yuan, which is around 64 USD. For this price you can get a gimbal, a mini tripod, and a carrying bag. From my own experience, the Vlog Pocket is doing a great job on recording some movements of your interesting life or adventure trip. However, if you are thinking about business or relatively professional shots, I don't think the Vlog Pocket is a good choice because due to its small body, it usually takes more effort to get a rather smooth and stable shot. Also, if you are using a big phone whose screen is bigger than 6.5 inches, like my OnePlus 7 Pro, you might give it a second thought because there's not enough room for phones to freely switch orientations. It might get stuck with the axis or even cause damage to your phone. Talking about the orientations, I really like it because you don't have to turn the whole thing off to accomplish the switch. All you need to do is double tap the function button. Most importantly, you can directly use the camera on your phone via Bluetooth. No need to download a third-party camera app. Sadly on this model, I find no joystick. Although the Vlog Pocket claims that you can achieve tilting the gimbal by holding the trigger button on the back. But according to my experience, it's not so convenient compared to using a joystick directly, and the tilting angles are a little bit narrow. Now let's see the anti-shake performance of the Vlog Pocket. The stability of the Vlog Pocket is above average, but it's not as good as the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. It becomes more obvious when I start running. I'm not saying you cannot use it while doing intensive movement, but if you prefer a more delicate shot, you have to switch to a bigger gimbal. All in all, the size is both the pro and the con of the Feiyu Vlog Pocket. It sacrifices some stability and comfort to make sure that a little smart guy can be easily fit into your pocket. Practical or convenient? Which do you prefer? Tell us in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video today and be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time.